Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Xbox Series XS black screen not showing display, HDMI and TV signal fix. The fix one, check the HDMI connection and hardware. Make sure your TV or monitor is set to the correct HDMI input. Then verify that the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI out port on the back of the Xbox. Now if you are using a AV receiver, soundbar or HDMI switch or capture card, connect Xbox directly to your TV or monitor. Now disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable securely at both ends. Then try a different high-speed HDMI cable and test another HDMI port on your TV or monitor. Now the fix to perform a full power cycle. So press and hold the power button on the Xbox for about 10 seconds until it turns off completely. Now unplug the power cable from both the Xbox and the wall outlet. Wait at least 5 minutes to allow any remaining power to drain. Now plug the console directly into a wall outlet or avoid power strips if possible. Then turn the Xbox back on and check if the display return. The fix 3, reset the display setting. So turn off the Xbox completely, then start the console in low resolution mode. Now for Xbox Series X, you can press and hold the power and eject button together. Now for Xbox Series S, press and hold the power and pair sync button together. Now continue holding the buttons until you hear the second startup chimp sound for about 10 to 15 seconds after the first. The console will boot in a low resolution mode. Once the display appears, you can open profile, then click on system, now click on settings and then click on general, and then again click on TV. Now and the TV and display option. Now select a resolution and refresh rate supported by your TV or monitor. Now the fix for reset the console. Keep your games and app. So if the display works but the problem keep returning, reset the console while preserving your installed game. So press the Xbox button to open the guide. Go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system. Now click on console info. Then select reset this Xbox and choose keep games and app, and wait for the reset process to finish and complete the initiate setup. So goodbye and thanks for watching.